Alright guys, check out the 69 Firebird I just shot today. This is palladium silver car we've been working on for 2 years and I think 1 week right now. It's done full quarters, doors, rockers. It just had the works done to it. This is the second coat of clear. We'll do probably one more good coat because we're going to cut and buff it. I think this color is just the same as the 69 Camaro's Cortez silver, but it's gonna have a vinyl top. There's the pins, so we just sealed the top up. We didn't do a whole lot of work to it. As for putting a lot of clear on it, because it's getting a vinyl top. Turned out pretty slick. I used a Sodajet 95 to clear it with a 1.4 tip, and I have a new Wacom 1.3 Slim Combat. I used to spray the base. We shot it in DBC for the base, and I use a Deltron DCU 2002 clear. But I think she's turning out pretty good. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to click subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this. I'm going to do a little more on putting the car together and stuff that we do. I think it's going to be a really cool car. We've already done a 69 Camaro for the same customers, so I can open the door up. I got to spray the jam, just blow the clear in the jams right before the next coat. It's still base coat. I like to do them last so it don't haze over and fog up. But keep turning out more cool hot rods here at AC Designs Garage, so hope you guys enjoy. God bless.